Is it recording?
Yes.
I don't know if it's even recording.
Oh, she made.
Hey guys, what is up? Welcome Earthlings back with my mom and me. I know you guys missed me. I haven't been in a video in a really long time except the vlogs, but vlogs don't really count. Hello Earthlings, welcome back to ow, that just went in my foot.
Go throw it away, don't throw it back on the ground.
What is it?
Don't throw it on the ground again, someone will step on it.
It's not gonna happen today. So you have a special guest today.
Greetings Earthlings and welcome back. So today I have a special guest.
Very special.
Very special.
Hi, it's me. Before we get started, make sure to go and follow my mom on her Instagram. On
Snapchat, Twitter.
And make sure to go follow my Musical.ly at. I'm just not allowed to give away my Snapchat and my Instagram. But yeah. Let's get started. Specific. We're doing a specific thing for the makeup we are using. So for her foundation, we are using Makeup Forever Professional Paris Ultra HD. Beep. I don't know about you guys, but I usually use a beauty blender.
Dry?
Okay. I'm a professional. Just gonna put this on this sign. Yes.
Oh.
Stop making me laugh!
Is there a reason why you use the beauty blender dry?
Well, I don't wet it. That unicorn. Okay.
It is so beautiful outside.
This foundation makes your face look
What does that mean?
oh, like shiny. Skin's so oily. We should have a bunch of like bloopers at the end. Oh, okay. What?
You're so aggressive. Come on.
Don't scare me. Go blend it. Ooh. Blend it. Ooh. Haha. Blend it. Ooh. I have to hold on your face.
Okay.
Cause it's like I have to go like after first. Go blend it. Ooh. Go blend it. Ooh.
Come on, Mariah. Come on. Hello? Hello? Hey.
Did you get my pictures of what I made today?
I didn't. I haven't checked my messages. During the week.
Easy. So I went to the dollar store and I bought a bunch of peeps and jelly beans. I got like 3 vases. I took my mom one. And then I went to Michael's because I love Michael's. So I bought a vase because they didn't have anything at the dollar store, but I got my flowers and everything at the dollar store.
Oh, nice.
So I went to Michael's and I'm like, oh, good thing I bought my flowers over there because their flowers are like $10 for like a little stem. What are you doing?
Mariah's doing my makeup.
Oh, I'm gonna have to set me pictures.
Yes.
But so I guess I'm interrupting.
We're doing a video, so I'll send you it once it's edited.
You're gonna be in the video if mom puts it in.
Okay, I'm not gonna be in the video. I'm not even there.
This is we're going to be using the Tarte Shape Tape. This is how professionals do it. Just so you guys know, if you want to be a professional, learn from me to become a professional. You do 3 dots without your mother blinking. 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's how professionals do it. 2, 3. How am I supposed to hide? I don't know, I'm using it for concealer. Mom!
Oh my god!
Concealer. And wipe it. Okay. I got her to think. So this is the Too Faced Life, and this is the Too Faced Life's a Festival, Peace, Love, and Unicorns. Like, who doesn't love unicorns? It has such colors as Young and Free, Desert Vibes, Rainbow Life, Sunset Dream, Fun in the Sun, Beamin', Unicorn Tears, Mystic Rain, Fireflies. So the first color we're going to start off with is Fun in the Sun, because we're going to have some fun in the sun. I'm going to need you to go off your phone, ma'am. Close your eyes, ma'am. Whoa, geez, my mom is having fun in the sun.
Oh my god.
Ah!
So you have to make dinner right now. Darn it. We're filming a video.
Yeah, so ask questions.
Brian wants to do like a little Q&A, so send in your questions.
Yeah, and it involves yeah, don't give them any like sneak peeks. Put it in black and white. Look at me!
Do you want my eye open or closed?
I want you to stay off your phone. Now we're going to be using, lighting sucks, guys. I'm sorry. Okay.
Why does it suck?
Because it just does. Okay. So we're going to be using Beamin'. Mom, not so rough.
What?
Like, you just gently close your eyes.
I don't know how else to close my eyes. You need like relax my eyeballs? Are they going everywhere?
Yes. Use my finger here and just like make the middle right there. Yes. Like I said, I'm professional. I know what I'm doing. Whoa. It's so bright. Look at me before you show them because I'm close. Okay, that's on the glance as good as it's gonna get for me. Back to this brush here. Yeah.
Euphoric.
Yeah, whatever my mom just said, that's what that is. Oh yeah, look at that beautifulness. Corner of my mom's eye. Close. I'm a very neat person, guys. Woo, woo. Oh yes, that girl's makeup on fleek. Oh my god, who did your makeup? Oh my god, girl, I love your makeup. I love that makeup. Okay, we're almost done here. Maybe. Okay.
Oh, I really love this. I didn't give you this one.
Yeah, you did.
No, I didn't.
You gave me that and that.
I didn't give you this one. It's Iridescent Mystical Bronzer. It's really, really beautiful.
You know what? I'm gonna go get my highlighter brush because I have
beautiful.
Oh yeah, I told you I was a professional. I got all these high-tech makeup brushes. I use this for my highlighter because, you know, gotta get that cheekbone and...
Alright,
Oh,
it's all
this
good.
is the wrong one.
It's all good in the hood.
Ow! Thingy!
No, you're supposed to swirl it together.
Okay, guys. So basically, I'm going to be using the Too Faced Rainbow Effect Highlighter. And yeah.
So pretty.
So pretty. Do they though? Do they? And I'm just gonna swipe up, you know. Professionals do this. I've actually worn this highlighter to school.
I think you have like 3 minutes.
Oh, okay.
Oh my god.
Yeah. Just like, what? Oh, yes, girl, work that eyeliner. Guys, don't judge me. At least I get to see a professional doing professional makeup.
Oh my god.
Then we got this highlighter, and it looks like this. If you guys want to go buy it, go buy it. Why not? Oh my god, smell that.
That smells beautiful. Oh, nice.
Yeah, it's just a stick. So you just go, ooh, and then like, boom. Got that good highlighter. Okay, I gotta hurry before our camera dies. In my dreams.
So you could be more professional. Cream products like that, it's best to use your finger to like tap it in.
Yeah.
You don't want to use a brush, especially that has powder on it, to blend out a cream, because it'll just make it like muddy and weird. Professional tip.
Okay. Got that good. I'm using this orange. It'll take us forever. Okay, we're gonna be using this unicorn tears topper. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay. My mom's lips are so big.
They're not that big.
Yeah, they are. It's like a big lump. I'm being honest.
Thank you, Mariah.
Mom, we only have a minute.
This tastes really good. What is this?
You're out of your mind. Okay, shout out to Nars. Ooh, go you. We're gonna be using this one because it's like more like both of these kind of. And we're just gonna go. Those are really fun. And then we're gonna go. Ooh.
So, Amy's Pink Vanity. What makeup look of your mom's is your favorite from her 6-year-old?
I like it when my mom wears just like foundation, concealer, and like when she covers up her little zits and stuff. Sorry, I'm being honest. When she like covers up her little zits and stuff, because like I don't like it when she wears eyeshadow, or like when she does the dots underneath her eye. Like it's kind of weird, but if she likes it, do it, Mom. Do it, Mom. If you like it. Okay, go. Hurry.
How does your mom's career affect your personal relationships and school life? Your mom is the coolest. That is from Shelby.
Everyone always asks. Everyone asks this question a lot. So I hate it, honestly, but like, I mean, it's cool for my mom because like she gets to be famous and stuff. Like she gets to be social with other people, and like she inspires people. But I hate it at school because a lot of people are like, oh my god! And when I was younger, a lot of people knew about my mom.
I'm gonna get some water, babe, while you answer this.
I'm taking your seat. Okay, oh, sure. Dang it! I like that she inspires you guys.
But why do you hate it?
Because for one, like she's always on her phone. I mean, that's why, because I'm always on my phone too. But she's always like, oh, I have to email this person. Oh, I have to make this video. Oh, I'm editing, guys. Can't do that. Can't do that. But she does take us like out to eat and stuff like on Thursdays. What? No, because you like talk to us on Thursdays and stuff.
Oh, yeah, Thursday? Oh my god, that sounds terrible. I only talk to my kids on Thursdays, guys. Let me sit back down.
My mom looks so big. Wait, ready?
Well, I am an adult.
This is the finished look.
Okay, what is your favorite song right now?
Dancing to it this morning. It's called Jealous by Kalani, or however you say her name. It's not a good song for me to listen to, but it's a good song.
It's not.
Well, my friends want to know your shoe size. What?
I wear a size 9. Alright guys, I have to make dinner. Thank you so much.
Wait, what's your favorite flower?
Thank you guys so much for watching. Give me a thumbs up. It shows me that you care. And thank you, Mariah. If you guys haven't seen, Mariah did my makeup a long time ago. She was like 5 years old. She's 13 now. So I'm gonna leave the link down below.
No, don't! Mom!
Yeah. You're so cute. Alright guys.